Hello guys, this is Mike Culpepper. I'm fixing to start redoing all the hydraulic lines on this Landmark 365 fifth wheel. I've been broke down several times now and it's costed me a lot of money, a lot of frustration, so I'm going to pull the belly off and I'm going to start one at a time replacing these hydraulic lines. You're welcome to come along with me on this journey. I'm going to set up the phone and just take little snippets as we go, and I'll show you how I'm taking off a line, where I'm going to get it fixed, putting it back on, and how to put fluid in. Just everything you need to know about changing these lines out. Come along with me. So man, this is a beautiful coach, and it is got a fancy recliner and looks good going down the road. But as far as mechanical, I just got back from a trip. I had 2 air conditioners go out because of bad design. They had wires down in the intake vent hid. That'll be another video. But I'm back home now and started to do my auto level, and another line broke, so I just can't keep doing this. This line right here, it's the crimps that are coming loose, and they've got these little cheap plastic lines that are no good. I replaced this one on the trip, and it's a good hydraulic line now. Excuse me, I was in the wrong location. This is the one that I replaced, and you can see the difference in the line. It is a braided hydraulic line. 3040 psi, and it is a regular high pressure hydraulic line instead of this little plastic crap, and it's got a completely different kind of crimp. That's what I'm gonna do on the whole rig. This kind of line and this kind of crimp. And it didn't take long as I started exploring under this rig how crappy. I mean, these are my trailer brakes. I got 2 wires with electrical tape there, then these 2 are supposed to be under wire nuts, and I've got a bare wire there, and this, I suppose, is supposed to be hooked to the bare wire that the wire nut fell off of. So probably don't have any trailer brakes, thinking that I do. Strap that they took off at the repair place that's holding my toilet pipe up, that they never put back on when they pulled the belly off here to do whatever the hell they did. It's just not taking long to find a whole bunch of stuff that's no good. I cut me an explorer hole, and I found that this line is going up over through where the bathroom and everything is, and I have found it all the way to the front, but it goes up and over and through, no telling what, getting there. So what you want to always do is pull your pull string in whenever you're pulling something out, and that'll help you get the new one back in if you need it. So you've got a pull string by the old hose right now. Just take some electrical tape on the string, pull the old line out, and when you're pulling the old line out, you'll be pulling the string in, and And then when you get the new line back, you can tape it to the string, pull it back through whatever ups and downs it's going through from here to there. Okay, from the belly of the beast up into the heart. So here's where everything comes in and terminates. I have traced this to that one right there. And look how many different style crimps are on these cables, and different kinds of cables. They put all these orange cables on the last time we had it in the shop when everything was leaking everywhere, but what sense does it make to put on that many and not change this one? That's exactly the same kind that we're having trouble with. I cannot believe how bad a quality this whole thing is. Very, very unhappy, but I'm not sending it back to the shop. The last time we sent it to the shop, it was 4 months. I'm going to tell you exactly how long I've got invested in this whenever I get done putting this hose back on. And I'm sure it's going to take me a couple of hours, maybe. On every one of these that I'm having problems with, it's the crimp. It's not the hose, but I'm going to go ahead and change it out to bigger hoses too. But you can see that there is hardly any grip in there. And right here on the end of the hose, you can't hardly, it's not even biting in there at all. I mean, it's just barely crimping. And that's why they're blowing. Heartland 365. You know, thousands and thousands of dollars. I don't even want to admit what it cost for this camper. It's got pretty sofas, wonderful leather recliners, nice paint job, but mechanical wise, no excuses. All right, $120, and 3 hours later, it's fixed. I've got it all back together, fished through. I had a lot of trouble getting it back under the belly. I pulled it out with that string, but undoubtedly that string wrapped around a bunch of stuff, so I had to cut some more of the that core plast out to where I could get my hand up in there and just fish it a little bit at a time through that belly. It's all back together. Thank you, Heartland, Landmark 365. This is a heck of a way to spend my vacation. They went to the shop 3 or 4 times. They've got different lines in here with different crimped ends. It's just a joke. But it's mine now, so I'm gonna fix it. Just if you buy one of these, you better have a lot of patience and a good set of tools.